Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete multiple messages in WhatsApp Web on your PC using the latest update. If you're looking to clean up your chats quickly and easily, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by going to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're logged in and your chats are loaded, enter the chat where the messages you want to delete are located. Now, let's get started. Hover your mouse over one of the messages you want to delete. When you do this, you'll notice a small arrow appear next to the message. Go ahead and click on that arrow. A menu will appear, and from this menu, click on *delete. This will enable you to select all the messages you want to delete from that chat. Once you click delete, you can go ahead and select as many messages as you want to remove. Simply click on each message, and it will be highlighted. You can select all the messages you want to delete in just a few clicks. After selecting the messages, you'll see a trash can icon at the top of the screen. Click on that delete icon to continue. WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm the deletion. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected messages. To confirm, click delete again, and the messages will be gone. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple messages on WhatsApp Web. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time when you need to clean up your chats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.